Hello, Group 4. This is the Week 10 video, and the instructions say, discuss the essential elements in designing a method section for a mixed research study. What are specific considerations for researchers considering the use of this research? There's a link on this thread for a fantastic resource I found. I'll talk about it a little bit later, but I encourage you to click on that and read it. I've used that to help me gather some information. From what I've read in the text and the readings that we were given, there are 5 essential components of a method section. You got to explain the assumptions from your research question, which drives your study. Explain why you selected this specific data for analysis. Describe the tools and processes you use to do your data collection. Explain how you will analyze your data. And discuss potential pitfalls or limitations in your research. The methodology justifies why you selected a certain kind of data set, how it's relevant to your study or how it will prove your hypothesis, and how you intend to analyze the results to provide relevant data and the steps you took to avoid potential problems in your study. I've read, skimmed through several dissertations trying to get a feel for how research is done. Some were done by people I know, and the scope of your study has to be broad and comprehensive enough to collect the kind of data necessary to fully support your hypothesis. The method sections that I've read in dissertations from people I know, I've heard that they had help from professional researchers. I hope that's not necessary for my research, but the methodology can be quite involved, even if it's qualitative research. If anybody has a perception that qualitative research doesn't have as intricate and complex data analysis, that would be wrong. In fact, it's not as straightforward, because qualitative research deals with abstract concepts, and it's not really concrete or necessarily provable to a scientific degree or whatever. Where it seems methodology is most difficult is the part which justifies why you chose to collect a certain type of data and how that data is supposed to support your hypothesis. I think if that part is not really grounded, then the rest of that will sound rather loose or diluted. Well, check out this link and let me know your thoughts on this part of research. Like I said, the link is a great resource on writing research papers. It has a lot of information on the methodology section, and I look forward to reading your comments.